Hi viewers, this is Sri Venkateshwarlu and you are watching Sandeep English World. In today's video, you are going to learn about the formation of some question tags. And at first, let us know what a question tag is. A question tag is a kind of question form which is added to a statement to invite the listener's attention to the statement. Generally, the question tag is used in conversations. In our day-to-day conversations, we frequently use the question tags. And when the voice of the speaker goes down, it gives one meaning. And when the voice of the speaker goes up, it gives another meaning. And most of the people have a doubt regarding the question tags. Whether the question tag is used for the confirmation or for the information. In general, the question tag is used only for the confirmation of the statement given by the speaker. And the speaker is sure that his statement is true enough. And in case of the speakers being less sure, he uses the rising tone. It's like seeking information. Regarding question tags, you have to remember 4 important points. The first one is, we have to start the question tag only with a helping verb. And the question tag ends with the suitable pronoun. It ends with the right pronoun depending upon the subject of the given statement. And of course, the tag ends with a question mark. And if the statement is positive, the question tag should be negative. If the statement is negative, the question tag should be positive. And do remember to use only the short forms in question tags. In general, when there is a negative question tag, we have to use the short form. And let's have a look at some examples. The very first example, Sri Ram is helping me. That is the statement. And in the given statement, Sri Ram is the subject and is the helping verb. The question tag should begin with only the helping verb. Here is the helping verb and Sri Ram is the subject. And in place of noun, we have to use the suitable pronoun. And Sri Ram is the noun form. The suitable pronoun for it is he. So the right question tag for this is, isn't he? When the speaker uses the tone like, isn't he? The following tone, it is for the confirmation. I as a speaker pose this question. Sri Ram is helping me. Isn't he? So I use the tag only for the confirmation of the statement given by me, and I seek the confirmation from the listeners like you. And 99% the people use it only for the confirmation. Next, boys are naughty. This is the statement. This is the positive statement. This positive statement has a negative tag, question tag or a tag. And the subject is boys and the verb here is are. We have to begin the tag with the helping verb. Aren't they? The helping verb are, and as the statement is positive, we have to use the negative tag, are not. The short form is aren't. Aren't they? The subject there is boys. In place of boys, we have to use the right pronoun, that is they. Next, Rani was decent. This is the positive statement. This positive statement has a negative tag. And Rani is the subject, was is the verb. we have to begin the question tag with the helping verb, that is was. And the statement is positive, so use the negative tag. Wasn't she? In place of the subject Rani, the right pronoun is she. Next, they were friends. This is the statement. And this positive statement has a negative tag. The helping verb or the main verb here is were. So the right tag is weren't they? Next, you have wasted your time. This is the statement. The subject is you and the helping verb here is have. We have to start the question tag with the helping verb. Haven't you? Because the statement is positive and the question tag should be negative. Next, the boy has tested positive for COVID-19. In the given statement, the subject is the boy and the helping verb is has. You have to start the question tag with the helping verb has, and the statement is positive, so we have to use the negative tag here. Has not. The short form of it is hasn't, and the subject, in place of the subject the boy, the right pronoun is he. Hasn't he? The boy has tested positive for COVID-19. Hasn't he? Next, both the brothers will meet you. This is the positive statement. This positive statement must have a negative tag. And what is the helping verb in the given statement? Will. We have to begin the tag with will, and the statement is positive, so we have to use the negative tag will not, and both the brothers, that is the subject. In place of the both the brothers, the right pronoun is they. Will not they. So the short form we have to use. So won't they? Next, Kumar can resolve the issue. And in the given statement, Kumar is the subject and can is the helping verb. We have to begin the tag with the helping verb can, and the statement is positive, so the tag should be negative. Cannot. The short form of cannot is can't. Can't he? Kumar can resolve the issue. Can't he? Next one. She likes mangoes. This is the statement. She is the subject and likes is the main verb. And here there is no helping verb in the given sentence. When the verb is in simple present tense ending with the letter S, we have to start the question tag with does. Does not. Because the statement is positive, we have to use the question tag does not. What is the short form of does not? Doesn't. And the pronoun, the right pronoun, already the pronoun is given. Doesn't she? Next, they play chess. They is the subject and play is the main verb. Here there is no helping verb. And the main verb is in simple present tense. When the verb is in simple present tense, we have to begin the question tag with the do forms. If it is in simple present tense do form. If it is in simple past tense do form. Here the verb is in simple present tense, so begin the tag with do, and the statement is positive, so the question tag should be negative. Don't they? They play chess, don't they? Next, we enjoyed the film. We is the subject, enjoyed is the verb, and the verb here is in simple past tense, so begin the tag with did. The statement is positive, the question tag should be negative, so did not. The short form of did not is didn't. Didn't we? And next, he is not fair. The statement is negative. When the statement is negative, the question tag should be positive. You should delete that not in the tag. He is not fair. And the helping verb here is, and the pronoun is he. He is here. He is not fair. He is here. Next one. The girl was not shy. This is the statement. It is also a negative statement. And the tag should be positive. the helping verb here is was, and we can, the right tag here is was she. These are all the simple statements and questions. And very rarely some speakers use the question tags for seeking information. For example, they are playing in the ground. I am the speaker, I say, they are playing in the ground. Generally, I should give the tag with the following tone. They are playing in the ground, aren't they? Suppose I want to seek some information, whether they are playing in the ground or not. I am doubtful. For example, I say, they are playing in the ground, aren't they? They are playing in the ground, aren't they? With the rising tone I use when I seek information. But when I seek confirmation, I should use only the falling tone. These are all the simple questions, and in most of the academic and competitive examinations, you will face such type of questions. And in the next video, under part 2 of question tags, I will deal with some difficult problems relating to the question tags. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you are satisfied with this video, like it, share it, and comment on it. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Happy watching.